paper guillotine cutter. I've marked on it number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, and 5. So this sheet of paper is going to get cut into 12 little rectangles, and they'll be all the same size. So I'm going to put it at 1, and then move it to 2, and then turn it, and it'll all be cut properly. Put it to 1, put the sandpaper face down, that way it won't slide around on you. So there's 1. So now I got that. I'll move it to 2. And it's just a different way to cut the sandpaper, that they're all equal size. You don't waste your sandpaper too much. So that's now 3. So 3. And then you get this size. 4. And then 5. So now you have 12 sheets. Sandpaper. Mark the grid on the back if it's not visible from the factory. You can make like I have at home, I have a box about this wide, and I have little compartments, so then I just stash them all in like every size. And when you actually use a sandpaper, fold it in 3. That way you don't have grit over grit. Like if you fold it this way, and then you can basically use the whole sandpaper, and it's safe because it's just a small piece. And, and there's a few of us here that do that. This is actually Dave's, and Dave does this too. So that's it. Any questions? You can cut these, like if you don't have one of these, you can make one out of the, what do you call those? Hacksaw blade. I had one of those before, and then I found these and used that. So if anybody wants to have fun with that later, here's a sheet of paper.